Flexible printed circuits. Types, applications, and benefits. This video will give a detailed discussion of flexible printed circuits. What are flexible printed circuits? How do they differ from standard printed circuits? Guidelines and considerations for flexible printed circuits. How flexible printed circuits are manufactured. Types of flexible printed circuits. Applications and benefits of flexible printed circuits. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding flexible circuits. Differences from standard printed circuits, key guidelines, and considerations for flexible printed circuit design. What are flexible printed circuits? How do flexible circuits differ from standard printed circuits? Guidelines and considerations for flexible printed circuits. Manufacturer selection. Bend radius characteristics. Cover material. Adaptable routing. Stacking flexible PCB layers. Delamination risk. The adhesive's thickness. Chapter 2. How flexible printed circuits are manufactured. The manufacturing process of flexible circuits. First phase, flex PCB construction and board preparation. The following critical steps are integral to robust, reliable, flexible PCB fabrication. Size of conductor. Etching. Drilling. Looping. Routing. Copper coating. Second phase, Fabricating flexible printed circuit boards. Edge distance. Surface manipulation. Button plating. Size of the holes. Trimming. Third phase, focus on physical restrictions. Some common cover layers used in this process include fourth phase, examination and quality control. Visual examination. Sampling testing. The FPC electrical test. Chapter 3. What are the different types of flexible printed circuits? Flexible printed circuit types. HDI flexible circuit boards. Single-sided flexible circuits. Dual-access, single-sided flexible circuits. Double-sided flexible circuits. Flexible circuits with multiple layers. Rigid flex boards. Frequently asked questions. What distinguishes flexible printed circuits from standard rigid PCBs? Which materials are commonly used in flexible PCB manufacturing? What are the main types of flexible printed circuits available? How is the reliability of flexible PCBs ensured during manufacturing? What design considerations are crucial for maximizing the durability of flexible circuits? Are flexible PCBs suitable for use in automotive and medical industries? Chapter 4. What are some applications of flexible printed circuits? Automobile industries. Consumer electronics. Wearables. Medical applications. Chapter 5. What are the benefits of flexible printed circuits? Allowing for creative freedom. They enable high-density arrangements. Reduced weight and space requirements. Precision of designs. Flexibility. Long-term effectiveness. Suitable at high temperatures. Lower assembly costs. Simplified system design. Support for various connectors and components. Dispersion of heat. Thermal management. Biocompatibility. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right flexible printed circuit manufacturers for your needs.